Hey guys, what's up? It's Bill Jazuski. So today is the Sunday before Thanksgiving. Wanted to come out here and do some precision shooting on a budget. 200 yards with a 22 long rifle, aiming at push pins at 200 yards. Problem is today, and I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but it is so freaking windy out here. Freaking, not fudging. It is so windy out here. I'm going to switch the camera around. For me to be able to hit that push pin right there, and then I was going after this push pin. It is so windy, so we got the space between the targets. So we got between the targets, we got the space between them, which is almost, it's a little over a whole nother target. So you guys can see that. So for me to be able to get to that push pin, my crosshairs on my scope, for those of you that know a little bit about scopes and shooting, my crosshairs, I am pointing over here. That's where my scope is basically pointing, and I am on my 2 MOA to 4 MOA line. My 2 to 4 MOA line on my scope is on this edge, and my bullseye, or whatever you want to call it, my center crosshairs on my rifle scope are shooting over here to be able to hit a push pin. The actual push pin that I hit is here. That's the push pin that I hit. So I'm actually pointing the rifle off of my target because it is so freaking windy here. Pointing completely past the target. So we got 8-9 inches here, and I'm aiming off the target to hit that push pin. I'm going to keep aiming after a couple more push pins just to do it. Take it easy, guys. Stay safe. Have fun shooting. Happy holidays. See you next time. Bill Jazuski.